Did you know that the military has some of the most fascinating and little-known facts hidden beneath its disciplined surface? From unexpected technology to unusual traditions, the world of defense is full of surprises. Let's dive into 5 rare and mind-blowing facts about the military that will leave you saying, wait, really? Fact 1. The military's Black Knight satellite is a mystery. Ever heard of the Black Knight satellite? Well, the US military has been tracking an object in Earth's orbit for decades, and no one really knows where it came from. Some say it's a piece of alien technology, others claim it's just space debris, but the truth remains a mystery. It's been in orbit for over 13,000 years, and it's never been explained or declassified. The military keeps a close eye on this eerie object, and no one's been able to fully explain its origin. Spooky, right? Fact 2. The US Army has a horse cavalry unit. Yes, really. While tanks and helicopters are the norm today, did you know that the US Army still has an official horse cavalry unit? The 3rd U.S. Cavalry Regiment, also known as the Brave Rifles, still rides horses for ceremonial duties. They participate in parades and official events at places like Fort Myer in Virginia. It might feel like something out of the 1800s, but these cavalrymen are still active today, keeping a piece of history alive all while serving in modern-day military operations. Talk about a blast from the past. Fact 3. The U.S. military's Ghost Army deceived the Nazis. During World War II, the U.S. military deployed a secret unit known as the Ghost Army. This group used inflatable tanks, fake radio transmissions, and sound effects to trick the Nazis into thinking they were up against much larger forces than they actually were. They even created fake army camps and equipment to confuse enemy intelligence. It was one of the most creative and most secretive military tactics in history. Imagine a whole army of inflatable tanks. How cool is that? Fact 4. The US Navy has a Doomsday plane. If you think the military is prepared for anything, you're right. The U.S. Navy has a specially designed aircraft, the E-6B Mercury, which is often called the Doomsday plane. It's designed to be the backup communications link for the president and top military leaders in case of a nuclear war. The plane has its own secure communication systems and can stay in the air for hours, even days, to make sure that orders can still be given if the ground infrastructure is compromised. Basically, it's the ultimate in airborne command and control. Fact 5. The military has a top-secret dinosaur program, sort of. Okay, this one is a little more quirky, but bear with me. The US military has funded research into using dinosaur-like creatures as inspiration for new technology. For example, scientists have studied how birds and reptiles move in order to develop more advanced robotics and drones. The US Air Force has even explored bionic bird technology, inspired by birds of prey, to make smaller, more efficient unmanned aerial vehicles. So while we're not using actual dinosaurs, the military has been studying the past to build the tech of the future. Talk about prehistoric inspiration. So there you have it. 5 rare and fascinating facts about the military that show just how creative and cutting-edge defense technology and strategy can be. From mysterious satellites to inflatable tanks and the Doomsday plane, the military certainly has a few surprises up its sleeve. The next time you think you know everything about the military, just remember, there's always more beneath the surface, waiting to be uncovered. Stay curious, and who knows what other amazing military secrets you'll discover next.